With ESET Small Business Security, you're set and protected within minutes. Quick setup and easy sharing. Let's see how it works. Once you have completed your ESET Small Business Security purchase, you will receive an email with simple instructions. Open it and follow the Get Started link. This will take you to the ESET Home, the complete security management platform. To create your account, you can either choose to continue with a pre-filled email or sign in quickly with your Google or Apple account. If you decide to continue with email, you just need to create a strong password and select your country. Once the account has been created, you will automatically see your subscription in the dashboard. Now you are ready to set up your protection. Simply click Protect Device, choose Protect this device, and continue to download the installer. To complete the installation, open the downloaded file and follow the instructions in the ESET Small Business Security app. That's it. You are now protected. To extend your protection to other devices within your team, simply go to the ESET Home portal, click Protect Device, then choose Protect Another Device option. Select Get a software installer via email. Choose an operating system. Enter their email, and they'll receive the download link in their mailbox. And that's it. Empowering your small business with robust cybersecurity has never been easier. In a world where technology enables progress, we're here to keep your digital journey protected. Stay safe and take care.
ESET Digital Security. Progress. Protected.